Dr. TSIA Hubert here, your favorite math professor, and I'm here today with my student John,
Hello.
who I am helping prepare for the TSIA math exam. And John has a few questions that we're going to discuss because you might be like John and have these same questions.
Yep.
John, what's your first question?
First question, what is TSIA?
TSIA stands for Texas Success Initiative Exam. It is assessment. It is a state-mandated college placement exam that lets you know whether you are ready for college-level math courses, since we're talking specifically about math.
Okay. Well, how do I know if I have to take the exam or not?
So all incoming college students have to take the TSIA assessment. Even if you're a high school student and you want to take dual credit classes, you are considered an incoming college student, so you have to take that exam. The only way you don't have to take it is if you meet certain exemption criteria, such as scores on other standardized tests like SAT and ACT. You can check with your counselor or your advisor to see if your scores are high enough to be exempt.
Okay. What is on the Math TSI?
So the Math TSIA has either 20 questions or 68 questions, all right? It depends on how you do on the first 20 questions. If you have a passing score once you complete the first 20 questions, then you're done. But if you don't have a passing score, they're going to give you an additional 48 questions, which are considered a diagnostic, which determines where you are and what you need to work on, all right? So the 20 questions cover 7 algebraic reasoning questions, 6 quantitative reasoning questions, 4 probability and statistics questions, and 3 geometry-based type questions, all right? So my goal is to help you to pass so that you won't have to have the 68 questions, but only have the 20 questions.
Okay, and what do I have to make to pass?
All right, so now they have a new version of the TSIA. It's called the 2.0 version, and they changed the scores. The score ranges from 910 to 990, and in order to pass, you have to score a 950 or higher.
Okay, well, how do I get started?
So I'm glad you want to get started because a lot of people go in blindly and take the exam and they get placed, they don't pass it, they get placed into developmental courses. And developmental courses you have to pay for, but they don't count towards your college credit. So we want to make sure that you pass the class. So what you're going to do is you're going to read the description and you're going to find the link to the TSI playlist. You're going to watch the videos and you're going to work through the problems with me and learn as you go. And then you'll be ready to go pass that TSIA math exam with a 950 or higher.
Let's do it.
Let's go.